Articles a and the. What is article? Article is a type of adjective which used to precede nouns to show the identity of them as particular or generic. Types of articles. There are two types of articles in English: indefinite article and definite article. Indefinite article. Should we use a or n? We use a before consonant sounds and n before vowel sounds. Example: a singer, a uniform, a European, an engineer, an actor. We can use the indefinite article before singular, countable nouns. We cannot use it before uncountable nouns or plural nouns. For example, I bought a chair, but not I bought a furniture or I bought a chairs. We use the indefinite article when we are referring to one thing, but it is not one in particular. Example: I would like an apple. When we refer to something for the first time. With the second reference, we use the. For example, there's a man at the door. I think it is the man from the garage. With a unit of measurement, weight, quantity, time. Example: a kilo, 3 times a day, once a week. I exercise once a week. In exclamations. Example: what a lovely day. Definite article the. We can use the definite article before singular and plural countable nouns and before uncountable nouns. We use the when we are referring to a specific thing or things. This includes when the content of the sentence specifies which particular one we are talking about. For example, the people next door have invited us round for a drink. I will wear the dress I bought last week. When something is referred to for a second time and therefore becomes specific. Example: they have got a boy and a girl. The girl is at university now. When we refer to a particular place, person, animal or thing and the speaker and listener know which one is being referred to. Example: I think your keys are in the kitchen. Our kitchen or the kitchen here. When there is only one. Example: the world, the sun, the moon, the weather. What is the weather today? Before some adjectives used without a noun to refer to the group in general. Example: the rich, the poor, the unemployed. The rich should help the poor. Before parts of the day. Example: the morning, the afternoon, the evening. What time do you usually get up in the morning? Before superlatives and ordinals. Example: it is the best film I have seen. That is the 3rd time she has phoned. Before names of musical instruments when we talk about playing them. For example, can you play the piano? Sometimes using an article before nouns or noun phrases is not necessary. In this case, we do not use any articles before them and we call it zero article. We do not use an article before plural nouns and uncountable nouns when we use them in general sense. In summary, indefinite articles a and n are used with singular, countable nouns. Definite article the is used with singular countable nouns, uncountable nouns, and plural nouns. Zero article is used with uncountable nouns and plural nouns. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.